Look at this cute little penguin, all bundled up in a hat and scarf. Let's get started with drawing and coloring this adorable penguin. Now, let's color the penguin's body black. And don't forget to make the belly white. Add some orange for the beak and feet. What about a nice red for the scarf? Great job! Our penguin looks perfect now, holding a lovely heart. Well done! Here comes a playful kitten with a big heart. Let's draw and color this sweet kitty together. We'll start by coloring the cat a bright orange. Add a little blue for the color. And don't forget the adorable pink nose and ears. Fantastic! Our kitten is all done, holding the heart with so much love. Awesome work!